guys doing today? This is Dominique Pelkey with Apex Vision TV, and we just got a short tutorial with you guys today on working on the M112 engine on the Mercedes V6. Just really preventive maintenance, new hoses, new valve cover gaskets, as well as just some little fixer-uppers. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Let us know if you have any questions or concerns. Have yourself a great day. It's Apex Vision. This is Dominique Pelkey with Apex Vision TV, coming at you with another episode. Today we tackled the M112 engine on the Mercedes V6. Just really preventative maintenance. Some of the stuff you can see here is we had to go ahead and take off the valve covers, of course. Another major thing was these breather covers where the breather hoses come in. Those tend to leak as well. I do apologize, we don't have a full tutorial, but if you do have any questions or concerns, let us know. Some of the things that needed to come off, you're gonna have to take off these ignition coils, take out the ignition coil all the way down to the bottom, not actually the spark plugs, but just the coils themselves. We had to take off all valve covers on both sides, and then the hardest thing probably was breaking the breather covers from the actual valve cover itself. These valve covers actually take on bolts from just about everything, so your coil packs are gonna bolt onto it, your breather covers, your hoses, as well as these rubber grommet type things that hold on the engine cover. It was a really fun experience. We've never actually done valve covers for a Mercedes. Very good preventative maintenance. We definitely recommend doing this for any engine probably over 100,000 miles, just because they will develop a leak. We noticed around the engine that there was a lot of oil buildup, and that's just a tall tale sign that these valve covers are leaking. So we sealed the breather covers, sealed the valve covers, cleaned the ignition coils. What else did we do, David?
We switched out these hoses right here. Well, we got 1, 2 for the airflow sensor, 3. I believe that's it. To talk to you guys about a couple funny moments that I had today. So one of the things I done was this radiator hose right here. I was doing something over here, put my arm, popped that off. The other funny one I had, we were trying to get it off, get this mass airflow sensor off, and we had this clip back here. Well, we got the clip loose, but it was still kind of fighting, so I was tugging on it. Shit went flying in the air. I'm like, shit, I'm gonna have to buy another one. And the fucking rubber for it went all the way in there. But luckily, I was able to reach under there. If you haven't done anything like this, this is the hardest thing I've ever done on a car. It is not as hard as you think it is. Don't let the internet fool you. It was not that bad. The hardest part was getting these coils back in and getting the breathers off. But great experience. That's one less thing I need to take it for a shop to do. The A4, something similar like this happened, and they replaced it. It's so easy. Like, do stuff yourself. You'll learn. You'll get the hang of it, and you'll be able to help people do it. Thanks for tuning in. Another video. Stay tuned. Comment, like, subscribe. Follow us on IG, Facebook, Twitter, and David out.